The world is full of beautiful places, scenic roads, snow-covered mountains, ancient churches, and endless beaches. Each one has its own magic, but there is one place that feels different. A place where the clouds aren't just above you, they are around you, passing as you walk. This is Sohra, which is one of the wettest places on earth in the state of Meghalaya, and which is why it is also rightly called as the abode of clouds. We started the day with a stop at Mawjrong. It was raining heavily outside. The roads was being belted and hidden in the downpour. Inside we had hot rice, dal and some meat. Simple but perfect for this weather. Nothing beats a hot meal when it's pouring like this, and honestly this is the best way to begin a journey to any destination in Meghalaya. Next, we reach Mawkdok. We grabbed some roasted corn from a small stall. The kind of roasted over coal, hot, smoky, and just right for the cold weather. The fog is so thick and you can barely see a few meters ahead. Cars are moving slow, fog lights on, just to cut through in front of them. We then walked through it and felt like the whole place has disappeared. The drive towards Sohra was intense. The rain was hitting the windshield hard and the fog made everything look blurred. You could hear the wipers working non-stop. It's that kind of drive where you need to stay alert every second. By the time we reached Sohra, the cold was hitting me, so we stopped for a plate of hot Maggi. Cold weather and rain outside. That's a classic combo here. As we walked down the Sohra road to shoot a few clips, we noticed that life here goes on. Rain or not, people were walking with umbrellas, the roads shiny and wet. Some were on their two-wheelers wearing raincoats, others heading home on foot. You could see people moving quickly, some going to work, some on the way to the market, and some just making their way through the rain. From above, the landscape looked amazing. Mist rolling over the hills, roads vanishing into clouds, and you can see why Meghalaya is called the abode of clouds. We continued our journey and then we reached Kynrem Falls. Even from far away, you could hear the roar. The water was gushing down with so much force. It's one of those places that really shows you the power of nature. On the way back, we spotted another waterfall. We stopped near a small shop and met a man who was talking about another falls nearby, trying to promote it. That's something about Meghalaya. There's always another hidden spot waiting to be explored. Finally, we ended the day back at Mawkdok. This time it was for evening tea and some snacks. The fog was still there, the rain still falling, and that's about Sohra for you. It's always alive with weather. That's all for today. We will see you soon in our next video, and thanks for watching.